In the last couple of days, I've been able to generate about $2,000 on my Astera account with a free traffic method that I'm going to show you. So if you're somebody who really wants to make money online, all you need to do is to go to the description of the video and hit on the link to Astera account and Astera, and you're going to create an account. Simple as that. So welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Richmond and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and anything related to make money online. So if you're somebody who is new to this channel, all you need to do is to hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you're about to watch, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So I'll be right back after this short intro. So as you can see on my dashboard, I've been able to generate about $2,000 on my Astera account with free traffic method that I've been able to use to generate this kind of money. So Astera is the only CPA marketing that allows self-clicking so far that I've ever seen. This is the only CPA network that allows self-clicking. So if you're somebody who is new, go to the description of this video and then hit on the link to Astera account, and it's going to sign you up straight to this platform. So the tools that you're going to need right now is a brand new Astera account, link to bit.ly.com, and then Linktree, and right after that you're going to go out there with this free traffic method to make money online as easy as that. So right now let's dive into today's method. So if you want to make this kind of money, watch the video from start to finish, and I'm going to show you how you can do self-clicking on these links, and without even doing self-clicking, you can even go out there and promote this link with the traffic method that I'm going to show you in this video. So right now let's dive into today's method. So the link to Astera will be in the description below. All you need to do is to hit on that link to create an account on Astera, and with that it will be very easy for you to go out there and replicate what I'm showing you right now to make money online. So I'll receive this kind of money on the 16th and 17th, between the 16th and 17th of okay, this is the last previous announcement on this platform. So as you can see, most people are making money with this platform out there. So right after getting to the dashboard of Astera, all you need to do is to hit on direct links, and it's going to help you create a direct link. When you talk of direct link, it's a link where most people create without even website. You can even go out there and promote this direct links straight up. So as you can see, when you come to this place, all you need to do is to hit on create direct link, and right after hitting on that, do not omit anything, just leave it as it is. That's where you're going to get a lot of conversions on your platform on your Astera dashboard. So I'll hit on that and click on add, and it's going to add over here. So as you can see, it's showing over here that it's pending. It's showing over here that my link is pending. As you can see, it's showing that it's pending, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to refresh this account, and right after refreshing, it's going to change from pending to active. As you can see over here that all these links are showing active over here. So that's how you create direct link on Astera, and with the help of Linktree, we are going to compile this list of links, and you are going to go out there to promote this link right after that. So watch the videos from start to finish, and if you like what I'm showing you right now, go into the comment section and type in Astera money and hit on the like button as well. Like the comment, subscribe to the channel, and comment there any question that you want me to answer, and I'll be there to answer you right after that. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel for this 1k journey. Thank you very much. I'm much grateful. So let's move on to the next step of this video. Okay, so this is the link that we just created as link 4 over here. As you can see, you indicated link 4. This is the link that we just created, and right now what you're going to do is go to a link site called linktree.com, and what you're going to use linktree.com is to do is just to create a landing page like what you are seeing right now on the dashboard of my computer. So as you can see, let me bring this thing down. So on the dashboard of Linktree, all you need to do is to hit on add link. So creating a Linktree account is very simple. All you need to do is to create it by adding your Google account, and right after doing that, you come to this platform and hit on copy, and it's going to copy the link to this platform direct link that we created over here, and you go to Linktree over there, hit on where they say URL. All you need to do is to paste this URL by hitting Ctrl V, or the manual process of this, and hitting on paste, and it's going to do that. And right after doing that, all you need to do is to hit on add, and it's going to add this to the links that we've compiled over here. And right after doing and adding this, all you need to do is to wait for this landing page to refresh itself, and after that you're going to give this thing a name like what you're seeing over here. You see, make $1,000 per month, make $100 per month. It's not like we are going to people are going to make money with what we are the links that we have given it to them. All we need to do is to get traffic, people to click on our link. Yes. So right after doing that, you give this account a name, this link a name. Let's give it a name like make okay, guys, this is what I've done so far. All you need to do is to hit on share button over here, and you're going to be able to share this, or you can copy your link to this landing page that you created, and with that we are going to promote it on this free traffic method that I'll show you next. So share my okay, and okay, so let me come to this place where it says share again. I want to copy the link to this platform. So right after doing what I showed you right now, this is what I've done, and you can hit on copy over here, come to a platform called bit.ly.com, hit on create new, select link, paste your destination link over here by hitting Ctrl V, and hit on enter, and it's going to create it's going to shorten this link for us. Right after shortening this link, all you need to do is to head on to a platform that I'm going to show you right now. It's very common. Most people have been using it daily, but they don't know you can use this free traffic method. You can use this as free traffic method to promote your links. So all you need to do is to come to a platform called facebook.com. When you come to facebook.com, what you need to do is to click on groups, and on groups, all you need to do, where it says search for groups, all you need to do is to type in make money online, and hit on enter, and it's going to bring out groups that talks about how to make money online. And with that, you're going to promote our link in these groups, and you're going to get clicks on this Astera account. As you can see, mine says visit simply because I've already joined this platform groups. So all you need to do, yours is going to show join. All you need to do is to join all these platforms, and right after joining that, and right after doing that, you need to hit on visit and create a nice post in this group. So by doing what I'm going to show you right now, so after joining this platform, all you need to do is to hit on visit this platform and begin to create or write something in this group. So we are about to create a post in this group right now. So within a few minutes, this is what I've made right now. Make real money online today. Click here to join, and I'll hit on post right now. And what this thing does is that it's going to, you see your post is pending, your post is waiting for admin approval. If this team approve it, you will become visible to groups to in the group. So right now, let's wait for the admin to approve our ad, and with that we are going to make money with our Astera account, as you can see over here. So guys, this is how I was able to make this kind of money right now in my Astera account. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see my next video.